The importance of wood moisture content, a comprehensive guide. Discover why measuring wood moisture content is crucial for woodworking projects and learn how to do it accurately using Wagner meters or Iron pinless wood moisture meters. Wood is a beautiful and versatile material, but if not properly handled, it can cause frustration and disappointment. Picture this: you've invested time and money into a custom woodworking project, only to find that the wood is warping and bending out of shape. Avoid this scenario by ensuring the moisture content of your wood is just right. Wood moisture content refers to the amount of moisture present within a piece of wood. Wood is a hygroscopic material, meaning its moisture content can change as it absorbs or releases moisture in response to its environment. For woodworking projects, changes in wood moisture content can be critical. Wood can swell, shrink, or warp as it absorbs or releases moisture, compromising the structure and aesthetics of your projects. To prevent this, it's essential to measure the moisture content of your wood before use. Moisture testing helps determine if the wood has reached its ideal moisture content and has stabilized. The ideal moisture content for wood typically falls within the range of 6% to 12%, but the specific number depends on the equilibrium moisture content (EMC) of the wood in a specific environment. Different regions and climates may have varying moisture conditions, and understanding the EMC is crucial for ensuring the wood is acclimated to its surroundings. Accurate moisture measurements are paramount in woodworking. Using advanced moisture meters like Wagner meters or Iron pinless wood moisture meters ensures precise and reliable results. These meters are designed with state-of-the-art technology to provide accurate readings, enabling you to make informed decisions about your wood's moisture content. Don't let excessive moisture or dryness ruin your woodworking projects. Measure and monitor wood moisture content with confidence using Wagner meters' innovative moisture meters. Ensure your projects stand the test of time and maintain their integrity for years to come. Experience the difference with Wagner meters or Iron pinless wood moisture meters. Visit our website wagnermeters.com to learn more and ensure your woodworking projects are a success.